Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn the production of pest resistant plants. So, pest resistant plants. Today we will discuss. Actually, we are going to learn the application of biotechnology in agriculture. So, by the use of biotechnology, we have been developed the different pest resistant plants. For example, BT cotton, it is one of the pest resistant plants that we have already developed by the use of the biotechnology. Actually, it is found that some strains of Bacillus thuringiensis bacteria produce protein crystals in the form of crystals that contain insecticidal proteins, that is in the form of inactive protoxins, and that can kill the certain insects. Like this protein can kill the many lepidopterans, coleopterans, dipterans. These are the different orders of class Insecta. So scientists thought that we can use the genes of this Bacillus thuringiensis. We can isolate the genes of this Bacillus thuringiensis, and we can incorporate into the crops in the plants to develop the pest resistance capacity, or the insect resistant capacity we can develop by the use of these genes. So scientists identified the genes which are present in the Bacillus thuringiensis and which are responsible for the production of these toxic proteins, and that genes are called the cry genes. This is a family of genes that is called the cry genes, and these cry genes are responsible for the production of toxic proteins, and that proteins are called the cry proteins. Here you can see that this is in the capital letter, this is the small letter. So cry proteins, and these cry proteins can kill the certain insects. And these genes are the pest specific. Crop specific also we can select. There are the different genes because it is a family of genes. So we can select the gene on the basis of the crop and the targeted pest. For example, cry1AC, cry2AB, these are the name of the genes. We can use these genes to control the cotton bollworms. Likewise, cry1AB, we can use this gene to control the corn borer. So actually, this is a family of genes, and these are the specific. So scientists isolated the specific genes from the Bacillus thuringiensis bacteria and incorporated into the different plants. For example, the genes isolated from the Bacillus thuringiensis is incorporated into the cotton plant to develop the pest resistant capacity, and that cotton plant is called the BT cotton. BT means the Bacillus thuringiensis, BT cotton. Actually, this bacteria produces the protein in the inactive form, that is the inactive protoxin. But once an insect ingests this inactive protein in the gut of the insect, there is the alkaline pH, and that alkaline pH can solubilize the crystals and convert the inactive protoxin into the active toxin. So, and that active toxin proteins binds with the cells of epithelial lining of the insect, creates pores in the epithelial cells, and due to the water or any other fluid that enter through the pores into the epithelial cells, it causes the swelling of the cells and finally lysis or breakdown of the cells, and eventually it causes the death of the insect. So that different, these are the genes that identified in the Bacillus thuringiensis bacteria and isolated and incorporated into the various plants to develop the pest resistant plants. So for example, today we studied about the BT cotton, Bacillus thuringiensis cotton. This is the pest resistant cotton plant that have been developed by the use of the genes from the Bacillus thuringiensis. So today we studied this BT cotton. Now in the next video we will discuss more about the pest resistant plants. Thank you.